Introduction to Selenium with Java. Hello, automation enthusiasts. Welcome to H2 Kinfosys. Today, we're kicking off our Selenium with Java series with an introduction to Selenium. By the end of this video, you'll understand what Selenium is, why Selenium is, why it's so powerful, and how to set up your environment. Let's get started. What is Selenium? Selenium is an open source tool for automating web browsers. It allows you to simulate user actions such as clicking buttons, entering text, and navigating between pages. Selenium supports multiple programming languages, including Java. Why Selenium with Java? Java is a popular choice for Selenium because it's widely used in enterprise environments and has a strong community support. Combined with Selenium, Java makes it easy to write efficient and maintainable test scripts. Setting up Selenium with Java. Let's set up Selenium with Java. First, you'll need to install Java Development Kit JDK and an integrated development environment ID like IntelliJ IDEA or Eclipse. You'll also need to download the Selenium WebDriver Java bindings and a browser driver, such as Chrome Driver. Now that we've set up Selenium with Java, we're ready to write our first script. In the next video, we'll create a simple script to automate a Google search. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon to stay updated. See you in the next video. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe and hit the bell icon for more QA content. Leave your questions and comments below. Happy testing.